Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Snakes of Pakistan: Identification, Conservation, and Interesting Myths and Facts by Dr. Zahid Farooq. Snake bites, how risky? Snake invasion is a neglected tropical disease. 1 million snake bites, 30 to 40,000 deaths throughout the world. South Asia constitutes 70% of global snake bite mortality. Approximate 40,000 bites are reported annually in Pakistan with 8,200 fatalities. A large number of fatal snake bites occur in Southeast Asia. Annual mortality rate in Pakistan 1.9, India 5.4, Burma 3.3, and Sri Lanka 6 over 1 lakh population. Snake bite cases 7-year data at RHC it Sindh. Number of patient in percentage. Total number case reported 5,737. Gender based snake bite are more than 80% males and less than 20% females. Cobra has maximum snake bite more than 56%, krait and vipers 35%, and only unidentified snake are the 8%. Case reported within 24 hours only 12.38%, and 48 to 72 hours more than 87%. Big four venomous snakes in Pakistan are common krait, Indian cobra, Russell's viper, Haskell viper. Biting apparatus in venomous snakes: venomous glands, venomous duct entering the fang and at the fangs which rupture the skin. Now the total reptiles in Pakistan: 195 species. Among 195 species, 2 species of Crocodilia, 178 species of the order Sciomata, including 95 species of lizards and 83 species of snakes. Only 15 species of turtle and tortoise reported in Pakistan. Snake bite cases 7-year data at RHC it Sindh. Number of patient in percentage. Total number case reported 5,737. Gender based snake bite are more than. Terrestrial venomous snakes of Pakistan including family Elapidae. Indian kraits has 3 species: Bungarus ceruleus ceruleus, Bungarus sandinus sandinus, and Bungarus sandinus rezi. Indian krait, Indian cobra in Naja Naja and Noja oxiana, 2 species of Indian cobra in Pakistan. Family Viperidae has 7 species in Pakistan: Russell's viper, Indian sarscale viper, Egyptian sarscale viper, Asian sand viper, Himalayan pit viper, West Asian blunt-nosed viper, Persian horn viper या false horn viper. That is the Persian horn viper. Family Hydrophidae, sea snakes, 14 species are reported in Pakistan from the coastal areas or within the area of the sea. Family Hydrophidae, sea snake. Population of different families collected from southern Punjab: Colubridae, Boidae, Elapidae, Typhlopidae, and Viperidae. 2 publications about the snakes of the non-venomous family Colubridae, Emphysema, family Colubridae, Coluber ventromaculus, family Boidae, Rex junai, family Colubridae, Tyes mucos, family Colubridae, Oligodon arne, Typhlopidae, Rhamphotyphlo brahmi, Colubridae, Plasmophis candanarus family, Colubridae, Plasmophis lethae family, Colubridae, Plasmophis lineolatus family, Colubridae, Plasmophis saccharii Colubridae, Xenocorophes santijohannes. Snakes of Sejavas. Six species were collected from the Sejavas. Among them, one poisonous species, Indian viper or saw-scale viper, and other five species are non-venomous, Indian sand boa, uh, Coluber ventromaculatus, and three species from the Splerosophis genus. Snake myths. Snake chase people. Many people have a story about being chased by snakes, but herpetologists never seem to have this experience. They find that snakes are always trying to escape. Snake travel in pairs, the survivors seeking revenge if one is killed. Snake bite can be cured with the manka. Snake become human when they are 100-year-old or supernatural creature take the form of a snake. Importance of snakes. Several valuable ecological services of snake are generally unappreciated. Snake hold a paramount importance in the food chain as prey and predator both. As prey, they provide food for bird and mammals. As predator, they prey upon other animals, mostly weak and unhealthy individuals, thereby ensuring a balanced community in plant and animals in the ecosystem. Snakes control the rodent population, in which turn help to cut down the investment on pesticides and their environmental hazards. Although the vast majority of the snakes are not dangerous to humans, about 750 species worldwide are venomous, and of those only about 250 species have venom power to kill the human. The same venom which has a killing power is used to produce antivenin, through which is used to cure the snake bite victims. Importance of snakes, including live snake and snake skin used for different purpose. Snake used as a food in different countries. Snake fat used in different medicines, and also snake venom is used in a different medicines to cure the different diseases. Future proposal. Cholistan has rich reptilian fauna. Therefore, diversity of lizards and snakes will be explored. A combined project will be designed with the other departments of CJWAS for DNA based identification of reptiles, extract and analyze the fat and venom. Thank you very much.